Licorice health benefits. The Ayurvedic herb for body wellness. Licorice has been revered for centuries in Ayurveda for its remarkable healing properties. Commonly known as muleti in India, this sweet tasting root has been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, ranging from respiratory issues to digestive discomfort. In recent years, modern science has also begun to uncover the vast health benefits of this ancient herb. In this video today, we will explore the numerous ways licorice contributes to body wellness, its Ayurvedic significance, and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Let's talk about the number one, which is respiratory health booster. One of the primary uses of licorice in Ayurveda is to support lung health. It acts as an expectorant, helping to clear out the mucus and relieve the congestion. How it helps? It soothes sore throat and cough, reduces inflammation in the respiratory tract, helps in managing asthma and bronchitis, act as a natural decongestant. How to use? Boil a small piece of licorice root in water and drink it as a tea. Chew on licorice sticks to relieve throat irritation. Mix licorice powder with honey for a natural cough remedy. Number two, digestive health and gut support. Licorice is known for its gastroprotective properties, making it beneficial for digestive disorders like acidity, ulcers, and indigestion. How it helps? Soothes gastric inflammation, promotes healing of stomach ulcers, aids in digestion and prevents bloating, balances stomach acid levels. How to use? Drink licorice tea after meals to aid digestion. Take licorice root powder with warm water for acidity relief. Number 3. Immunity and anti-inflammatory properties. Ayurveda consider licorice a rasayan, rejuvenating herb that strengthens immunity and combat infections. How it helps? Act as an antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress, strengthens the immune system, helps fight viral and bacterial infections, reduce the inflammation in the body. How to use? Drink licorice tea with turmeric for an immune boosting tonic. Use licorice infused water as a gargle to prevent throat infections. Hormonal balance and women's health. Licorice play a role in regulating hormones, making it beneficial for women dealing with menstrual irregularities and menopause symptoms. How it helps? Support adrenal function and reduce stress related hormone imbalances. Helps in managing the symptoms of PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, eases menstrual cramps in PMS symptoms, reduce hot flashes during menopause. How to use? Drink licorice tea regularly to support hormonal balance. Mix licorice powder with warm water or warm milk to soothe menstrual discomfort. Number 5. Skin and hair health. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of licorice make it excellent for skin care and health care. How it helps? Brightens your skin and reduce pigmentation, treat acne and Alzheimer, act as a natural sunscreen, strengthens your hair and prevents dandruff. How to use? Apply a licorice infused face mask to brighten up your skin. Use licorice extract in hair oils to promote hair growth. Stress relief and mental well being. Licorice is also an adaptogen, meaning it helps the body adapt to stress and promotes mental well being. How it helps? Support adrenal glands and reduce cortisol levels, enhance mood and combat fatigue, improve cognitive function and memory. How to use? Drink licorice tea with ashwagandha for stress relief. Take licorice supplements after consulting an Ayurvedic practitioner. What are some of the precautions and side effects which can be there? But while licorice is highly beneficial, excessive consumption of licorice can lead to side effects such as increased blood pressure, water retention and swelling, low potassium levels. Who should avoid licorice? People with high blood pressure, pregnant women in high doses, those with kidney or heart conditions. So the conclusion goes like this: licorice is a powerhouse of health benefits, making it as a staple in Ayurvedic wellness practices. Whether you are looking to boost your immunity or to improve your digestion or to enhance your skin health, this definitely Ancient Herb is going to provide you that valuable addition to your daily routine. However, always consume it in moderation and always consult an Ayurvedic expert if you have an underlying health conditions. So, incorporate this sweet and healing herb into your lifestyle and experience its incredible benefits for your body wellness. In this way, this is all about today's video. Hope you have loved about what it's the basically the meaning of licorice and what is it going to provide for your body and the benefits that are definitely a life changer and a game changer for you. And if you watch this video and if you like this video a lot, then please subscribe to my channel and do like to this video and comment down as well, so that in the next video I will incorporate all of the thoughts that you are going to put in my comment section. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next time.